So I worked on it all day, made it nice and pretty. Got tail lights on, side markers. Got zombie what if Mr. America in there, or Captain America in there. Steering wheel, stick shift, instrument display, seat. And you can't really see the console or the shield, but anyway. Had to take off the sunset stickers. I had a bunch of bubbles I tried to correct, and I used soapy water and a squeegee to apply the stickers, and oh my god, those things ripped to pieces, so I had to go with the red stickers instead. Front headlights. That looks pretty damn good. I'm enjoying that. So we got the hobbywing Fusion Pro 23 kV brushless motor. Let's see if I can get the shield in there. It is blood stained. Horrible glares. And then we'll do the back. And that, I'm not sure what is going on. Getting some servo chatter. It looks horrible. I drove it outside and it is retarded fast. And I flipped it twice. And I was just telling Morgan, I'm almost scared to take it outside and run it in the driveway because of that reason. Some nice road rash there and right there. That's about it though. But anyway, yeah, it turned out really good. I'll take off the cover here. There's the wiring in there. Let's set it that way. It's Captain America. It's blood soak axe. Let's turn this light back on. Do shield and spear. So it made everything you see in here. Turned out really good though, gotta say. Gotta love this hobby.